Hello everyone. Welcome to pictorial explanation of 10 words amazingly addictive series. The 10 words I'm going to explain in this video collected from Hindu editorial titled The Second Dose on COVID-19 Vaccine, published in Hindu newspaper on 2nd January 2021. These 10 or more words I'm going to explain. They may help you to enhance your understanding of the today's editorial. The first one is dose. The first one is, what is that? Dose. D-O-S-E, dose. Mean a quantity of medicine prescribed to be taken at one time. That's what is called as a dose. You see here, this is what is a medicine. That's a one drop of medicine. It's a dose. If you all see that, if children will have one dose. For example, if you take a paracetamol, the paracetamol adults, elder people will take 500 mg as a tablet, whereas when it comes to the children, they may be given as 200 mg. That's what is a dose. Doses depends on the body mass of the animal or a human. That's what is called as a dose. The next one is weekend. 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 Weekend means become weak, make or become weaker in power. Sorry. Weekend means make or become weaker in power. So you see here, there are gems were drawn. The left side one are looking very angry and looks like right. The other side one are the yellow background one are weakened, means they are not powerful. So here in the article, one of the vaccine maker have taken the virus which is not going to cause the infection. So it is pathogenicity or virulence was removed. That's what is called as weakened. The next one is elicit. Elicit. Elicit means evoke or draw out a reaction or answer or some fact from this someone. If you ask something, you will get something. That's what is eliciting, means drawing or evoking. So if you ask a question to your students, then students may answer the question. Question may answer the question, right? They will give the answer. That answer is elicit. You have elicited them to give an answer, right? So you see here this picture showing that when you ask a question, they all are raising hands to say an answer. That's what is elicit. Here, when you take a vaccine, immune response is eliciting to combat the infection. So why you are taking a vaccine? Vaccine you are taking because you want to generate or you want to elicit the immune response. That means antibodies or other cells to fight with the virus. That's what is elicit. The next one is administered, means taking or dispense or apply a remedy or drug. Administered means what? If at all you consider a drug or a vaccine can be given nasally or orally or intramuscular, intradermal. Here you can see one example. This lady is taking the medicine through the mouth. This is what is the process of dispensing the medicine or a drug or a vaccine is called as administered. The next one is assent, means the expression of approval or agreement. If you are agreeing, that's what you say, assent. See, giving thumbs up means agreeing, right? And the next one is deemed, regard or consider in a specified way. You are you are saying you are considering that it's existing, right? That's what is a deemed. You won't verify, but it is deemed to be like that. See, I'm giving one example here. The one of the traveler, traveler is getting an explanation from the receptionist. I'm sorry, sir, but your luggage was deemed offensive and destroyed. This lady is telling to the traveler that we thought that your luggage is containing some explosives or some other dangerous material. That's why we destroyed it. So they did not check, but they thought, they considered that is offensive. That's what they did. The next one is NOD, nod, means to move your head down and then up, especially to show your agreement or approval. That is what is called as nod. You see, you move your head and up and down. Yes, you say yes like this, right? So that's what is a nod. Next one is relied. RELIED. Relied means trusting or depending on something. That's what is relied. You see, uh, you can see example here. So this lady is going to fall down, but this guy is trying to, she's going to rely on them. Rely means depending, right? So trust, if you are a trust, trust or relied, that's what is a relied. Next one is amok. AMOK. Amok means to be out of the control and act in wild or dangerous manner. Means something which is not in control and behaving very widely, means no control. That's what is amok. You can see the children are going randomly and running with the swords and all other things, right? This kind of situation you call as amok. Next one is prolong. Prolonged. Prolong means extending the duration. There is no end for that. So extend the duration. Prolonged discussion means discussions are going on. That's what you say. Prolonged. Prolonged means you have increased the duration of the activity. So here this prolonged used to tell the prolonged immune response, prolonged protection. So if you take a 1 or 2 dose, you get the immune response, that's a prolonged. So you get a long-term protection. That's what is a prolonged. The next one is sustained, means SUSTAINED, sustained means continuing for an extended period or without interruption. You see, sustained. Here it goes on. Means again, sustained and prolonged, both are almost similar. Sustained immune response. Sustained immune response in the sense permanent immune response. Whenever permanent immune response. So if you take 2 doses, generally, especially if you take polio vaccine, children will take the twice in a year, right? Or once in a year, and then followed by the periodically every year they'll be giving the dose up to 5 years. Means what? In the rest of the life they may not have the polio infection. Means they got the sustained immune response. That is permanent. Sustained means permanent. Permanent immune response they got. That's what sustained immune response. The last one is brunt, means the worst part of what or cheap impact of the specified action. You are affected because of something. That's what is brunt. We are all affected with the virus. That's brunt. So you see this guy is falling down because of some injury at specific location. That's what is brunt. These are the 10 to 12 words which I thought they are important for the understanding of the today's article. That's what I gave some explanation. I did not provide you the much example, but sure, if you go through this video and if you read the article, probably you'll understand the article, or you will increase your understandability of the article. It will enhance your understanding of the article. I'm sure for that. So this is all from my side. Thank you all for taking time to watch the video. And if at all you like it, just give a comment. That's all from my side. Thank you all.